Have you ever felt like you're busy all day, but nothing really changes? Like you're running on a treadmill, moving, sweating, exhausted, but going nowhere? What if I told you it only took 51 seconds to break that cycle? Every morning I used to wake up, check my phone, compare myself to people online, and feel already behind. Sound familiar? We scroll before we even think. We consume before we create. And then we wonder, why am I stuck? The weird trick. Then one morning, I tried something different. Before touching my phone, I stared in the mirror for 51 seconds and asked, what would the best version of me do today? No noise, no lies, just me and the truth. And in that silence, I found clarity, I found direction, empower and urge action. Try it tomorrow. Set a timer, 51 seconds, mirror, no distractions. Look yourself in the eyes and ask the question. You'll be shocked how powerful you already are when you stop hiding from yourself. Don't just watch, do it, then hit subscribe, because this is just the beginning of your next chapter. Let's build it together, on fire.